Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing, but it wasn't the unboxing I had planned. It's a Sephora box, and this is the Sephora Favourites Beauty Has No Age, and it's the skincare beauty box. I didn't order this. I ordered the makeup one, which is now out of stock, which I'm absolutely gutted about because there's a few things in there that I really wanted. I am in talks with Sephora about sending this back and having my money back, but they're very slow. As much as I love Sephora, the customer service teams are very, very slow. So I had a look online. This one is still available. So I thought, well, as I've got it, I might as well show you what's inside it, just in case any of you fancy buying one for yourself. There's nothing wrong with it. It's really good. It's just, I've got a lot of these products myself at the moment. And yeah, I wanted the makeup one. You'll find a link to this box down below in my description, as well as all my other links and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running. You'll see them down there as well. So you're welcome to take a look. This box cost £59, as did the makeup one as well, and it has a value of around £135. So it's easy to open up. I love the box. I love the black and white striping, but I really like the box. It's a little tray. There's no information about the products in the box, but you'll be able to find all of these products individually on the Sephora website if you want to learn a little bit more. First up, we've got Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is Molecular Cosmetics Cleanser, made in Germany, and there's 50 mils here. I think I've got one of these waiting to use. Did I get it in another beauty box? I might have done. It's a mild cleansing foam, and that's all I can tell you about it. It's a nice little size to try or to take away with you for a weekend or something. Next we've got Clarins Extra Firming Jour. This is a wrinkle control firming day cream, and there's 15 mils here. It just tells you about the ingredients on the back of this. We've got a day cream. Ooh, then we've got Fresh Cosmetics. This is Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with multi-action sheer lotus. Oh, I'd like to try this one. I've tried some of their masks and they're beautiful. 15 mils. Youth Preserve. I did have a beauty box all of Fresh Cosmetics products in there, and I can't remember if this was in there or not. I can't remember. See, that's the thing when I'm trying lots of different things, and I'm also trying things and I'm not really thinking what I'm trying. I've got a big unit, you may have seen it, beauty room sort of tour I posted up, I think it was last year. I've got shelves and shelves of different products. I'm trying to stick to one particular shelf until I finished it all, and I am getting good. I am good because I am putting a lot of things away in a little bag ready to do an empties video, but there's some products over there that I'm dying to use, so I do dip in and out now and again, so I don't always remember what I'm using because it's just so exciting. Ugh. So we got a Fresh Cosmetics moisturizer. Then we have got here Lancome Multi-Lift Ultra Anti-Wrinkle Firming Tone. I don't know, 15 mils. I'm assuming this is a day cream as well. Yeah, anti-wrinkle cream. So 3 out of the 6 products in the box is a day cream. So we got one from Lancome, Clarins and Fresh. Then we've got Clinique Take the Day Off. This is a cleansing balm and there's 30 mils here. This is really lovely. I've been using this every time I receive it in different beauty boxes for years. It's a really nice cleansing balm. I just love cleansing balms. I just love the way they feel on my face and they melt, and yeah, they're really great for getting rid of makeup. Estee Lauder, this is Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Serum, and there's 7 mils there. And I forgot, we got a face mask, not face, eye mask. This is by 111 Skin, Harley Street, London, Celestial Black Diamond Eye Mask. Set of 2 under eye masks in there. So we've got 7 items in total. It comes to around £130 the value, and you can purchase it for £59. I wanted the makeup one. I didn't want this skincare one, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I haven't spoiled any of the packaging, or I haven't opened any of the products or anything like that, but £59 is a lot of money for them to send me the wrong item. I don't understand why they've got 3 similar products. You would have thought, okay, 1 moisturiser and then 2 different products to make it a box that you could use all the products all together, if you know what I mean. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the boxes? I am glad that they brought them out, but I hope that it will be more of a regular thing because we all love our beauty boxes. More so I'm finding now, especially with you lot as well, looking at my analytics, you tend to watch more one-off boxes as opposed to subscriptions. What are your thoughts on that? Do you think subscriptions, nah, they're gone? Nice to have a look at, dip in, see what Look Fantastic or Sephora or any others are doing. But no, you prefer to go for like one-off boxes where you know exactly what you're getting. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.